Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, your Windows license will expire soon fix in Windows 11, 10. First step is right-click taskbar, click Task Manager. Restart Windows Explorer. Second step is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type slmgr space, -rear m. Third step is type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open Windows License Manager service, change Startup type to Disabled, click Stop, click Apply, click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.